I have some dough here. Today I'm gonna make some kuda, which I have made into little balls. I'm going to flatten it, and this is gonna be a dessert. So I'm going to make some dessert, and I'll show you what I have. Half cup of water that I put it on the stove, and it's gonna come to a boil, and I'm gonna add a quarter cup of sugar and pinch of salt, and then I will add quarter cup of flour as well, and that's gonna be my dessert. So once they come to a boil, the water comes to a boil, or to be just hot, I'm gonna add the sugar. So once they come to a boil, I'm just gonna move it to the side, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, and then I'm going to add the flour. So it's a little more than a quarter cup. And then I'm just gonna stir this till it just dissolves in the water, so it doesn't get lumps when I put it back on the stove. Once the water gets hot, you just add your sugar, salt, and then add flour. So do you see how it looks right now? It just looks milky, right? So I'm gonna put it back on the stove on a medium heat. So I'm gonna put it back on it, and I'll just start stirring it. So I'm gonna stir it fast because it's sugar. I'm gonna show you how it looks. Back on the stove, you have to hold the pan and stir it fast. That's how it looks like. And it's now I'm gonna put it on my bread. So I have here my dough. It's flattened. And then I'm just gonna put this sweet on top like this, and just rub it on one side. It's just like dough. I mean, like when you put cheese on it. But I'm just gonna make this sweet. It's a really nice dessert, actually. And you can eat this. You can eat this just like this too, or on crackers or whatever you like. So you can eat this on. So I put it a good amount on it, as you can see, on half, and I'm going to flip this side over, just like when I make cheese kuda. So I'm just going to take today and just flip the bottom side over so it doesn't open. So I'm gonna have some oil on the pan, and you've seen me deep fry these before. It's a pan fry, so not actually deep fry, but enough oil to fry one side, and then I'll flip it. So once you do this, because the dough, it's already arisen, so I'm going to, before I put in the pan, I have to flatten more because I don't want a doughy kuda. So I'm just gonna flatten it more. If you want it thick, you leave it like that. If you want it thin, you can just flatten it before you put in the oil. So now I'm going to put the oil on the stove to get it hot, and I'll put this in. I have my oil in here. So as you can see, it's a big pan, but I didn't put too much oil, and I'm going to make more. Not just that, I'm going to make the cheese kudas as well. So I put a plate here with a napkin on it. So once they fried, I'll put it in there. So I'm just gonna waiting for this. It's on high now. I'm just gonna bring it a little down. Once it's get hot, I'm gonna put in there. And you want it to be not on very high, because you don't want it to burn the cuda and then to be doughy inside. I flatten it more by hand and I just put it in here. And my stove is on not too high, just a little lower. So until that's golden brown, I'll just turn it on the other side and I'll show you when I one. And I have feta cheese. So I just break it again in half. I'm going to fill up this, just same idea. And I'm going to go like that, exactly same as how I made the sweet one. And I'm going to show you my sweet ones here. So let's check. Let's see. It's golden brown. You can turn it a little. And then just be careful when you turn it, don't burn yourself. I'm just gonna turn it the right hand. You can see. So it looks like. So once that golden brown, I'm gonna put it back in here. And that's how I'm going to continue with my cheese ones. And I'll show you when I'm done all. So here's my cuda that I made. These are the cheese ones. And I'm just gonna cut one so you can see. Let's see if we can open. That is how they look. Cheese is all melted in it. It's so good, actually. It's very soft and it's delicious. You can eat it with tea or anything. Now I'm gonna cut my sweet one and show you. There it is. So here's the sweet one. Doesn't show much, but it's really good. It's honestly very tasty. That's my cheese one. And that's how you make the bread dessert. It's actually really tasty. So try making that. And I hope you enjoy making it and eating it. Thanks for watching.